Have you ever seen a vending machine that looks like this? What coin does this machine usually take? If you said a quarter, if you said a quarter, you are right. This vending machine usually takes a quarter. So in my opinion, the quarter is the most important coin because it lets me get gumballs and it lets me get little toys. Let's start our lesson on the quarter. So here we have a quarter. I blew it up really big for you. Does anybody know what this is? I'm sure everyone knows that this is the bald eagle. It's the bird that represents our country. On quarters, you'll see the bald eagle on one side, and you'll see this president on one side. Who is this? I know you know. It's the first president, George Washington. So on a quarter, we have George Washington, and we have the bald eagle. Who knows how much a quarter is worth? How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Let's read this poem to help us remember what a quarter is. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, so I'm told. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, so I'm told. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, so I'm told. What is this coin called? A quarter. Very good. How much is it worth? 25 cents. And guess what? We're going to learn how to skip count by 25. Quarters worth 25 cents. I highlighted that. If we have two quarters, how much does that equal? 50. Some of you already know that. 50. Let me show you. We have to add on 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So when we add 25 more, we land on 50. Who knows what we'll land on if we add 25 more cents? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We landed on 75 cents. And that's as far as we're going to go today. 25, 50, 75. Say it with me. 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 Okay, here I have 25, 50, 75. I have 75 cents here. 25, 50, 75. What do I have? 75 cents. 25, 50, 75. 25, 50, 75. I want you to go ahead and get a sheet of paper. Draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And in each circle, I want you to write the letter Q. Because the letter Q stands for quarter. And I want you to write 25, 50. Remember, this is our cent sign. And 75. Just write that. I want you to memorize that. I want you to have that next to you at all times. When you're counting by 25s, 25, 50, 75. Again, 25, 50, 75. Again, 25, 50, 75. Again, 25, 50, 75. When I have 1 quarter in my hand, it's 25 cents. When I have 2 quarters in my hand, I have 50 cents. When I have 3 quarters in my hand, I have 75 cents. Write that down. Say it over and over and over again. How much do I have here? You know, I don't really know just by looking at it. So I'm going to follow my steps. First, I'm going to order these from highest to lowest, from the highest value to the lowest value. So a quarter is worth 25. I know that's my biggest. Here's another quarter. Then I have a nickel. It's worth 5. And then I have a nickel worth 5. And then my penny is my smallest value, worth 1 penny. Once I have put them from highest to lowest, I'm going to begin to count on. How much is 1 quarter worth? 25 cents. How much are 2 quarters worth? Look at your sheet. 50 cents. Very good. Now I'm going to count on 5. So I'm going to put 50 in my head and count on 5. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. This is 55 cents. Now I'm going to count on 5 more. So I have to put 55 in my head and count on 5 more. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. That's 60. And then I'm going to add 1 more to 60, and that's 61. My answer is 61 cents. Now, another way you could have done this is perhaps you know how to skip count, so you don't even have to put it in your head. You know that this equals 50, 5 more, 50, 55, 60, and then 1 more is 61. Another way you can do it is you can actually write an addition problem. So these 2 quarters are worth 50 cents. These nickels are worth 10, 5, 10. They're each worth 5 and they equal 10. 5, 10. So adding on 10. And then this penny is worth 1. Made sure to line up my 1s and my 10s. 0 plus 0 plus 1 equals 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 61 cents. If you have coins at home, get them and lay them out just like I did. Then I want you to order them from highest to lowest and figure out how much money you have here. Go ahead and pause the video and then hit play. Okay, so the first thing I hope you did was order them from highest to lowest. So here I have a quarter, 25. Here I have another quarter, 25. Those are my biggest value here. Then I have my dime, because those are worth 10 cents. 10 cents. Next is my nickel. And then, of course, my pennies have the smallest value. I'm going to put them kind of on top of each other because I'm running out of room there. First thing you can do is add on. So how much do 2 quarters equal? Look at your cheat sheet. 50 cents. Very good. So 50. And then I'm going to add on 10 more. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. That's 60. Now I'm going to add on 10 more. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. That's 70. Now I'm going to add on 5 more. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Now I'm going to add on my 3. So 75, 76, 77, 78. 78 cents. Now I'm going to make an addition sentence. So I'm going to take everything that's alike and put them together for my addition sentence. So these 2 are alike, and I know they equal 50 cents. 50. These 2 are alike, and I know they each equal 10. 10, 20. I have 20 cents here. I just have 1 nickel, and that's worth 5 cents. And then I have 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. They're each worth 1 cent. Going to add. Make sure everything is lined up correctly. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 5 plus 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. That equals 8. 5 plus 2. 5, 6, 7. That equals 2. 78 cents. If you have coins at home, I encourage you to go get them to try to do these problems using real coins, because that's how we would do it in the classroom. If you don't have coins at home, draw circles, and in the circles, do just like they did here. Draw an N for nickels, a Q for quarters, a P for penny, a D for dimes, and cut them out and do it that way. Just make sure you do it hands-on. Make manipulatives for yourself. So here I have 3 quarters. So I got 3 quarters out. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3 nickels. 1, 2, 3. I laid them all out so that I can do it just like I would do it if I was at the store. So first, I'm going to start by ordering my coins from highest to lowest. My quarters have the biggest value. And then my nickels. Now, look at your cheat sheet. How much are 3 quarters worth? 75 cents. 1 quarter's worth 25, 50, 75. So I'm going to put 75 in my head and count on 5 because a nickel is worth 5 cents. 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Now I'm going to put 80 in my head and count on 5 again. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Now I'm going to put 85 in my head and count on 5 more again. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. My answer is not 90. Now, another way I could have done this is making an addition problem. So you're going to take coins that are alike to add on. So here I have quarters, and 3 quarters are worth 75 cents. 25, 50, 75. Now I'm going to take these coins, because they are alike, they're nickels, and they're each worth 5. 5, 10, 15. And then I'm going to add 5 plus 5. That's a double. I know that equals 10. Put my 0 down here and my 1 up here. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 90 cents. We know a quarter equals 25 cents. Now I'm going to use other coins to add up to 25 cents. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. These are all nickels. They're all worth 5. That's why I was counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That equals 1 quarter. We could exchange this. I could give you 5 nickels, and you could give me a quarter, and that would equal the same amount. 25 cents, 25 cents. Let's see how else we can make 25 cents. Now I'm going to use dimes. 10, 20, 30. Uh-oh. Does a quarter equal 30 cents? No, a quarter equals 25 cents. I went too far, so I'm going to take a dime away. 10, 20. How can I get to 25? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I need 5 more. So I'm going to get a nickel. 10, 20, 25. Now I have 25 cents. So 2 dimes and 1 nickel equals 25 cents. Okay, a really easy way to make 25 cents is just giving someone 25 pennies, because pennies are just worth 1. So you just need 25 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Here we have 25 pennies. You could exchange this for a quarter and it equals the same thing. 25 pennies equals 1 quarter. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, so I'm told. Just like yesterday, go around the house and make this a game. I'm going to email these price tags to your parents. You can cut them out and put them on different things in the house, your toys, maybe groceries, anything you want. Put it on there and pretend like you're buying it. Go get some coins. If you don't have coins, make them. Draw circles. Practice counting money. Practice, practice, practice is what's going to help you count money. Bye, guys. See you later.